Guys, today I'll be sharing Linux Mint today on this old Dell Latitude laptop. I installed this on another hard drive. I'm just going in the BIOS now just to change the settings. No, where is it? Yeah, I need to go to, I need to change the boot option. Come on. Oh, there it is, BIOS setup. There we are. Okay. Boot sequence, there we go. Okay, let's type in password, change the boot list option to UEFI. It shows Ubuntu up there. Go to apply, and then we go exit. If you don't do this, then it will say invalid partition table, and then and you'll have to change it from legacy boot to UEFI, and just wait for that to load. There we go. I see the Linux Mint logo there. It looks pretty cool. Just wait for it to load. Oh, I see the cursor. Ah, there we are. Wait. Okay, I just needed to enter in my password. There we go. I really like the look of the default wallpaper. Oh, go away. This is the Cinnamon desktop, I think. Because Linux Mint comes in 3 different flavors. I think one of them is Cinnamon, which is the one I'm using. One of them is XFCE, and the final one is Mate or Mate. I think it's pronounced Mate. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay. I'll go away. It's very easy to use, and it looks very familiar to Windows 10 actually. I think, where is it? Where? Yeah, so we've got Cinnamon Edition. This is mainly for like high-end computers, I think. And this laptop is more than capable of handling it, because it has 12 gigabytes of memory, which is quite a lot. Yeah, and we've got XFCE, which is a lightweight version. And Mate. I think this is just, I don't know what the difference is between XFCE and Mate. I actually do like it, because I don't like Windows 11. It's just rubbish. It's full of bloatware and useless software that I don't want. What else? We got loads of different software already pre-installed. You got graphics, all the accessories, Bluetooth manager, calendar, color management, date and time. I think it also you can also change the wallpaper by right clicking and going to change desktop background, and then you get all these different kinds of wallpapers. I think the default one is actually quite nice. I like this one as well. It looks pretty cool. I'll just stick with the default one for now. You can also play the backgrounds as a slideshow, which is really cool. We've got the File Explorer. It's actually very similar to Windows 10, to be honest. We've got a familiar layout of the File Explorer here. One of the amazing things about Linux is that it's open source, so that you can see the code that it runs on, and you can see how it works, which is actually quite amazing. On Windows you can't do that at all. The problem is that Windows software doesn't really work on here unless you use something called Wine, I think. Wine Linux. Oh, go away. Yeah, Wine HQ. I think this is like originally the acronym for Wine is not an emulator. Yeah, it's very useful if you want to run Windows programs on Linux. Let's see how much resources. Let's see how much processing power we're using. Task. Oh, system monitor. Okay. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't. 2.1 gigabyte out of 12.4 gigabyte. CPU. It's showing CPU 1 to 4 for some reason. I don't know if that means 4 cores or something like that. These are all the processes. It doesn't use that much memory. 2.1 gigabyte of 12.4. That's very efficient. Pictures, videos, downloads, file system. Very interesting. What else have you got on here? Accessibility options. Calculator. Oh, go away. You can change from programming to basic or advanced. Go away. FFF. interesting. Okay. One of the amazing things about Linux is that it can run on very, very old computers that don't have a lot of memory. You can use like lightweight versions like Puppy Linux or something like that. For crying out loud, Puppy Linux. Wow, that loaded almost instantly. Yeah, it doesn't. It's relatively small in size, like 1.5 gigabyte or less. This is a Trixie Pup, which is one of the distros of Puppy Linux. I did install I forgot the name of it. I think it was called Bistro Pup or something. Bistro. No, I don't remember the name of it. It was some kind of Puppy Linux distro. And I installed it on my Samsung NC10, which only has 2 gigabytes of memory, and it wasn't using that much memory at all. I think it was like 100 megabytes or something. So it runs very, very quickly. It comes with, I think Linux Mint comes with Firefox by default, which is nice. You've got administrative tools here, system information. Yeah, it shows Linux Mint 22.3. This is Cinnamon 64-bit. Yeah, 12.2 gigabytes of memory because I installed 2 sticks of I don't remember how much I put in here. I don't remember how much memory I put in here. Yeah. Does it come with yeah, it comes with Office applications as well, which is nice. Oh, go away. So yeah, it's also not that difficult to install. You just download a ISO and put it on a USB, and then you just reboot. You have to find another hard drive that's been formatted to like FAT32 or something, and then you install the USB drive and restart the computer. And you also need to disable, you have to enable UEFI BIOS and not legacy BIOS, because it won't work. It will just say invalid partition table. Okay, I think yeah, you have the terminal as well, which is like the command prompt in Windows. Yeah, we've got a drawing app. Hi. Very useful. Discard. You can manage your disk drives as well. Yeah, shows 500 gigabytes here because that's what it is. Okay, you have a text editor as well, similar to Notepad in Windows. archive manager, file renamer, fonts, image viewer, screenshot. You can manage your passwords as well. Yeah. It's also very easy to use if you're migrating from Windows 10 to Linux Mint. I don't like Windows 11 due to the stupid hardware requirements like a TPM 2.0 chip, which is quite unnecessary. Okay, yeah, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.